I'm an alumni of Daystar, from there at Daystar.
Globally, tobacco use contribute to close or about 8 million deaths annually. That's according to World Health Organization. But available evidence points to about 12,000 deaths per year in Kenya. That's about 33 deaths per day. That's about light choppers crashing here to Wilson Airport every day. That is the impact of tobacco use. About 2 people dying every hour.
Industry is utilizing influencers because of what they're doing. They're seeing what the youth are doing, and they're trying to impose them when it comes to just pushing for their agenda. Why can't you also use the same strategies to fight them in the very same space? So one thing that I would just say is that we have so many youth who are willing, who are passionate, who are very willing to take part in these processes, but we hardly involve them in very key conversations. So it's very important, even as we leave this room, we might not have the time to have the conversation, because believe me, if I pass the mic around, we're not going to end this conversation today. But one thing I just wish to share is the fact that let's involve the youth as we move forward. Let's not just call them out, or when we're launching things, that's the only time we want them to see them on the podium.